Hi there friends, welcome to Mariel Beads and Beyond. Today we're going to be making this beautiful macrame bracelet. I put a short a while ago and it was requested for me to make the tutorial. So this tutorial is going to be in two parts. So we are going to start and I'm going to be using a 6mm lava bead, and also I'm going to use this 4mm fire polish. We are going to start by cutting 110 centimeters, and this is going to be for the base of our bracelet. We're gonna use this needle to thread our bead. We are going to place our bead 25 centimeters. We are going to cut two cords of 50 centimeters, and we are going to align them together so we can see where exactly we want to put our bead. Just make sure it's okay. So the longest part, we are going to use it for later. Okay, so we are going to be starting on the shortest part. So we are going to cut two cords, and in this occasion, I'm going to use two different colors so it's easy for you to see what I'm doing. So we're going to fold the cords on half. We are going to place the two cords in between the gold cords, and we are going to cross our cords. This is what you should have. We are going to start with the black cord. We're going to bring it up front. We are going to grab the black and the red cord, and I'm putting them aside just for you to be easier to see. I'm going to pass the black cord on top of the gold, and I'm going to bring it back to the right side. I'm going to grab the black left cord. I'm going to put the red and the gold cord aside. I'm going to put the black cord on top of the other cord and under the same cord, and we are going to bring it back to the left. Pick up the red cord, bring it to the left, pick up the red cord and the gold cord, put them up, and pass your red cord on top of the black cord and bring it back to the right. Pick up the red cord, bring it to the right, move away the gold and the black cord, pass the red cord on top of the red cord and bring it back to the left. We are going to repeat with the gold cord. We are going to continue repeating this step until we have 1 inch and 3/4, like 5 centimeters. Some of the things that you should be looking up when you're making this stitch is that if you use the same color, sometimes you can make a mistake and you're not going to be sure where to continue. So if you look at the bottom cord, it's going to be under and going back to the side that we start. So then that will tell you that for this example, we need to continue with a red cord. Also, if you pay attention, the red cord is a little bit higher than the other red cord. That also is a sign that that's the side that you need to continue. The other thing is that you can use some tape to hold, like if you have to do something, use tape to keep it on place. So when you come back, you can easily continue where you left. So I have the length that I need. So right now we are going to make a knot. So we are going to grab the 3 cords from the left side. We are going to put them on top and we're going to bring them under. We are forming a circle. The 3 cords to the right, we are going to pass them under and we are going to pass them through the circle that we previously made. And we are going to start pulling. We want to make sure that the threads are going to be straight and they're not twisted, so it looks pretty. So at this point, we're going to start tightening this knot so we can continue with the next step. The one thing, because I'm using 3 different colors, I want to pull the gold colors to the middle. And this is only if you're using different colors. So right now, this is what we should have, and we are going to start making a braid. So we are going to bring the 2 cords to the right. We're going to put them on top of the gold cords, and we're going to pull the gold cords to the right, pull the left cords on top, and we are going to continue making a braid. Make sure that your cords don't get twisted. And we are going to continue making our braid until we get like another 5 centimeters. So I finished. I'm going to pass one of the gold cords to the right so I can have one color on each side. I'm going to grab the cords to the left, and this time, because the cords are on top, I'm going to make the same knot, but I'm going to pass my threads underneath this time. It is the same process, it's just opposite down. So we are going to pass the cords through the circle, and then we are going to pull our knot. And make sure the threads are straight. Also remember, we want the gold cords to end up in the middle. So right now, I'm going to cut these cords and we are going to burn them. You are free to glue them as well if that's what you prefer. And we are going to repeat on the other side. We are done with this side of our bracelet. Now we are going to add the bead, and it can be a little bit challenging if you use a bead that doesn't have a big hole. We are going to pass through the bead and we are going to make a knot. And go ahead and burn the end.